The world's very first alarm clock only went off at 4 a.m. because that's the time its inventor wanted to wake up. In 1787, Levi Hutchins of New Hampshire didn't bother making a clock that could wake anyone else, at any other hour. Hutchins was a punctual man who believed rising before dawn was the secret to success. So he built a special device, a wooden clock with a bell inside, programmed to ring just once each morning at his chosen time. There were no snooze buttons, no customizable settings, and absolutely no way to sleep in. If you wanted to get up at 7, tough luck, the only option was to join Levi's rigid routine. For nearly a century, if you wanted an alarm clock, you had to make do with your own creativity, or hope you were as obsessed with 4 a.m. as Hutchins was. It wasn't until much later that alarm clocks became the universal, customizable morning nemesis we know today.